So I'm feeling pretty powerful today, man. I usually start off these videos with my intro, but I thought I'd ask you guys to do it with me this time. Out loud, wherever you are, I don't care. Just do it with me. You ready? Back in action. We're back. God damn it! I'm giddy as a teenage boy that just got his first beads for this one today, boys. This video's crazy, and I gotta give a big shout out to my boy Lil Pump. It's funny, man. I don't think that you guys understand really the relationship that Lil Pump and I have had in the past, and as you guys can tell by the title of the video, he did something real nice for me. Now, our relationship is not regular, you know what I mean? It kind of stems down to the point that I know him and I know a lot about him and I listen to his stuff all the time and he actually buys me things. However, he doesn't even know I exist. Creepy? No. Smart is what it is. Now, here's how this works in my mind. I really just do this because I think it's hilarious. As you guys know, I make videos on rappers. Now, the last video that we did in this series, the first one, I took all the money that I made off of making videos about Blueface and I put it towards my own chain. The reason I titled this Blueface Bought Me This is because I pretty much gave that money off his name. I'm not one to lie whatsoever. I actually think it's funny to tell the truth about that because that's what it is and I think it's hilarious. I also got money from the content that I made, but I wouldn't have gotten those views if his name wasn't in it, if you guys are kind of getting what I'm saying. So this series, I pick a rapper, I go through all the videos I've made, and I bring up all the money that I've made off those videos, which I could see myself and I buy myself something real cool on behalf of them. Anyway, for today's video, Lil Pump bought us something. Now, for him, I've actually made quite a bit of money off those videos in the past. I didn't put all of it into a piece because if I did, it'd be ridiculous. You know what I mean? Like, I don't want to spend that much. So I just took one video that I made about Lil Pump, and with that money, we bought ourselves actually something real dope that I'm stoked to show you guys. That's kind of adding to my whole jewelry collection, slash what I call it, just like my jewelry setup. So right now what we have, just a little update, is my watch that we got. I'll give you guys a full collection if you want with prices, but we got the Gucci watch, the diamonds all around it. We got this one, we have this ring, and we had another one, which sucks. It was $3 grand and I lost it. I don't know where it went. And it was so much better than this one. This one was cheaper. I don't know why I bought it. It's just like bad diamond quality. It's not bad, but it's not the best. The one that I had that I lost was really good quality diamonds. It just looks sick. It really makes a difference having better diamond quality. So for this video, because I lost this, I thought we'd buy a new ring. And last thing I do want to say, for the next video in this series, instead of buying myself something, I think I might buy one of you guys something. If you like that idea, leave a thumbs up and comment down below. If we can get like 5,000 likes on this video, I'll definitely do it. But I'm really thinking about doing that. I think that'd be cool. Boys, thank you for joining me at the unboxing station, or what I like to call the wiener station, which is wherever my computer is, and it's right here. So anyway, man, like I said, we got a ring in here using the money from Lil Pump. This is kind of different because it's actually a custom ring that I got. You guys will see the custom of what it is, but I found this website on my own, and it's called Nameplate Depot. What this website has pretty much is a huge, and there's going to be a link down below, they have a huge assortment of rings, chains, whatever, that you can customize, and it's a really good price. Preparing for this video, because I knew I wanted to do it. Okay, here we go. Alright, here we go. Here it is. Because I knew I wanted to do this video, I actually hit them up saying, man, if you want to work together, da-da-da-da-da. They gave me actually a little money off of this piece so I could go all out and get the piece that I really wanted with the amount of diamonds I wanted in return for a solid review. So that's what I'm going to do. Nameplate Depot, they're dope, and there should be a link down below. And with the link down below, I think I'm going to hit them up with hopefully a code to get you guys a discount if you want it. So anyway, Nameplate Depot hooking us up with the craziest, we have a sick box! I haven't seen pictures of this, nothing. They had an option on their website. You can have anywhere from, I think, 5 diamonds on your ring to 50. And I chose a 50 diamond option. I chose the highest options I could, try to spend the money that we needed to. And I think I got 14 karat gold, which is the highest option, something like that. It's a cool website, go check it out regardless. Oh! One thing I didn't tell you boys is this is actually a 2-finger ring right here. Man, this box is nuts. Oh! This is what I chose to get. Once again, I lost the one ring. I've been really needing something because this just looks weird with the stuff I have. I need something to fill out. So we got, once again, is a solid gold. As y'all can see, it says NameBran. 50 diamonds within this. Where the diamonds aren't, there's diamond cut gold. So it just looks a little more shiny, filling in the gaps that you need to. This is crazy, man. Holy crap. On email, we talked about it, but I didn't really know what to expect. I had no idea, because that's the thing with this website. When I shopped it, it's just like, you kind of talk to them about making the best piece you can. I had my ideas, and they pretty much said, scratch all of that, you should try this. And I was like, cool, I'll do that. And this is what they told me, and it's freaking sick. Oh my God, Lil Pump, I'm so glad you're a thing. I'm so glad we're a thing, actually, you know what I mean? I feel some type of love towards you that I don't think is healthy. Look at that thing, boys. You guys let me know what you think about it down below. Damn, it won't focus. Once again, there's a link down below. I want you guys to at least check out this website. I'm not being paid to say this whatsoever. I never do sponsorships like this where they only put a little bit of money into the item that I'm getting, but I needed this so bad, and it fits perfect with the options. You give your one finger size and your other one. Now the dope thing about this is it kind of brings me back to old times. When I was younger, I always wore double finger rings. Obviously they were fake, but they were like the gold plated ones. It was just my thing. I've always been a ring guy, and I haven't had one since, not to mention something that's actually real diamonds. Super, super sick. Adding this to kind of our real jewelry type video. Anyway, man, I appreciate y'all for watching this video, bro. Lil Pump, man, I appreciate you too. I doubt he's gonna watch this, but if he does, thank you for your name. I love you, buddy. Now what we're gonna do is, because I got a few things to talk about, we're gonna go with Chillin' with NameBran real quick. Chillin' with NameBran, if you guys haven't seen this, it's uncut, uncircumcised from here, giving myself editing pleasure, yourself viewing pleasure. Whatever I say within here to the end of the video stays in regardless. I could end up in jail. Who cares? The reason we do this is because if I got stuff to say, I can say it at the end of the video once the video is done, and also it gets us to 10 minutes, so I'll make a little more money. So one thing I wanted to say first off, damn, what was I about to say actually? I had a whole thing in my mind. NameBranFan.com was one thing I really wanted to talk to you guys about. Now, like I said earlier, I don't actually even know if I said it earlier. I might not include that. I hired somebody to redo the website, make it real dope, because I was doing it myself and I didn't really know what to do. You guys have been killing the sales on it, clearly loving it, which I didn't really expect because I haven't actually been advertising it, been slacking, forgot about it, still making sales daily. It's going to be real sick. Now, the one thing I wanted to ask you guys, what do you want to see on the website? There's ways you can go about it. If you look at it right now, it looks like a Supreme Patty type website. I want to name brandify it, so I'm really thinking about like NameBran merch on it, Selena Gomez stuff, matching the Selena tattoo we got in our lips. You know what I mean? How much we love her. A little ode to Selena is going to be on the website, but merch is one thing I really wanted to do, and I thought it'd be real sick if like we had some shirt that said like back in action or back in the action. I think it's dumb just like that. We'll have to have something, like maybe a girl twerking, and it's like, back in action, like her back's like in action while she twerks her butt. I don't know, something like that. I just thought of that the other day when I had a quick little gummy bear. Hour later, came up with something great. That was one thing I wanted to say. Another thing too, I really wanted to discuss. With this series going on, if you guys really dig it, I know the title is kind of clickbaity, but not really, you know. I think there's humor behind titles. I think it could be construed as clickbait, but I actually think there's humor behind it, because I think the funny part of this series is the fact that they're buying this for me without even buying it for me. I think that's hilarious. But going on with the series, what I was saying, what I'd like to do next is do this for one of you guys. Now, I think with the video, what we do is like, you know, obviously you probably wouldn't live where I live in Winnipeg, but we can kind of Skype the process together, you know what I mean? You picking out your thing over Skype, I'm on the computer, we purchase it, da-da-da-da-da. Purchase from whoever's next, I don't know, 6ix9ine we'll pick, I don't know, it doesn't matter. We still got a lot of room with cash from Lil Pump videos, but something like that would be really dope. I don't know if we're at 10 minutes. I just also want to keep talking. I had like 5 cups of coffee preparing for this video, and no elk, which is dope. Your boy's been good. Going back to the gym, that's something we could talk about too. Y'all know I like quit like the drinks. I wasn't drinking on my own though. Like everyone's like, oh dude, you're an alcoholic. No, I was just partying a lot because all my friends party tons. Anyway, I got back to the gym finally after all my injuries. I've been oh, dang it! I'm real pissed at that. I can't even edit. I'm gonna have to edit that, boys. I need this video monetized. But I say no editing. Shoot! That's what happens with Chill with NameBran. I'm just chilling with the boys and I say stupid things. Anyway, what was I saying? I'm going back to the gym. If you guys want a cool little transformation video, it'll easily come in like 2 months. I didn't take a before picture, but like, I've been training for 7 years. I know how to work out. I just don't want to be big. I just know how to like gain muscle where I want it. I think that'd be a cool video. I got so much stuff planned. Yeah, that'd be cool. Anyway, you guys let me know. Actually, we have a new Xbox One video coming in too. I have a package here that I've been looking at. It's going to be a buying off Instagram ad video, which should be really good. I'm wondering what day I'm going to do that. Probably next week, which sucks because I really want to open up this thing and see what it is. I bought it off Instagram ads. We're going to see if it's legit. I think it was like 50 bucks or something. Anyway, that's it. That's all I really wanted to talk to you guys about. NameBran, or Chill with NameBran, going on with this series, and also just talking to y'all, bro. I'm going to pound this back, have another one, edit this video, so I'll see y'all tonight. Blow.